Alright, YouTube. Been a while. Hope you guys can hear me. On today's project, we are going to install a beam. We're going to make a beam. We didn't order a beam. We're going to make a beam. So we're going to stick a beam. We're going to put a post here. We're going to put a beam. We're going to go a little bit further that way to hold this load. So we're going to put a beam across there and hold this up. We want to open the space. We also want to take down that wall there. We're going to open this all up. We want to completely have an open floor plan. Family's getting bigger. You know, kids are getting older. They want to come out here and do things with their friends and stuff. So there's not a lot of light inside there. This cabin was built about 20 years ago. You know, the way things were 20 years ago, you know, it's not the same way things are now. Now people want open concept. They want different types of looks. They want that bigger view. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to open this wall up. We got some challenges, you know, because of the pitch. You'll see when I start taking out the plywood, you know, like I said, this has been here for almost 20 years. And, you know, this addition we built about 2020 when COVID hit. We kind of just started working on it. We just started, you know, was started as just a porch to now being a whole room here with can lights and all that fun stuff. So that's what we're doing. So that's what our job is today. Oh, it's Labor Day weekend. We have the time. You know, we got some time to do it. So that's what we're gonna do. Yeah, it's raining, so it's another challenge we got out here. When you're off grid, it rains, it snows, it's done that. When we did this flooring here, when we did the flooring, it was snowing. We worked in the snow. You know, you go far enough in Arizona, you will find snow, you know. So that's today's job. So we're gonna get our tools in here. So I think some tools got wet. We're gonna, hopefully they still work. We're gonna right, got the demo done. Got some electrical here. Waiting for our electrician tomorrow. Electrician's coming in. He's gonna come and move all this electrical. Get all this out of the way. So we got an issue here, as you can see. We can't put the 4x6 posts that go against this wall because it's electrical. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna put our 4x4 post here. We're gonna nail our header into the header, that's existing header that's here. And once his electrician give him room, we're gonna give the electrician some room, let him do what he's gotta do, and then cut this off, and let him cut it, and then we'll beat the 4x6 post back in there. And then, like I said, we don't have the hardware here, but you'll see how we frame it right now to keep this from all falling down. So that's the scene, guys. Stay tuned. Cool. 84 and a half, boss. 84 and a half. All good. Here's some steps from back in the day. Oh, I'm sorry, not back in the day. These are steps I did last year. They're still holding up. So. We've opened it up. We've opened everything up. What you think, Mike? Insulation in the walls. We ran out. We're gonna have to get some more. I got some of the insulation off a job site. Trying to save some money, but yeah. So we'll be back. Plumber's got to do his thing. Electrician's got to finish doing his thing. And we will be hanging drywall here pretty soon. All right, guys. We will catch you on the next one.